Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Sue Augustine, and I'm here with my friend Lydia. And she's going to show you some of her favorite healthy snacks.
My favorite healthy snacks is fruits. So I'll take a little bit of peanut butter. You take a cut up apple and just take the peanut butter and spread it around, and you try to make it as healthy and as good as possible. So then we take a healthy rice cracker. You put some peanut butter, not that much, just a half. Then you dab it, or you can spread it, it doesn't matter. Okay, let me taste some of these tomatoes. Scrumptious. These frozen grapes remind me of when me and my mom went to the grocery store and we buy them I don't know how much, but it's really good. Now, thank you for watching this lovely cook show. We really, I'm glad to do a cook show anytime for you.